it's Nikki here, and today I'm going to talk to you about Photofab's capabilities within the automotive industry. Photofab works within many sectors, and as an established provider of chemically etched components to the automotive sector, we have had to be on our toes to meet the developmental requirements of this rapidly changing market. The industry is constantly finding new ways to move up a gear, with a particular focus currently on reducing vehicle emissions. This is just one of the many areas that Photofab is contributing towards, with hydrogen fuel cell components a prime example of products that we manufacture. These cells are currently used in construction vehicles as companies aim to meet their targets for zero carbon emissions. Photofab's role will remain crucial as it continues to play the vital role in the supply chain for these hydrogen fuel cells. Other components we manufacture range from shims, spacers, these can go in Formula 1 engines, to tread plates, to speaker grills on premium vehicles, and the list is endless. With over 50 years experience manufacturing for the automotive industry, Photofab's technique of chemical etching provides multiple benefits, with highly accurate and burr-free components at the very top of the list. Accurate parts are extremely necessary in this sector, which relies on intricate detail across the board. Our experience and knowledge gives us customers the confidence to utilise our skills and the component production to be top end. With fully manufactured prototype parts available on short lead times, Photofab's quality and reliability continues to help us stand out from the crowd. Who knows where the industry will be in the future? Nevertheless, Photofab will always be in the driving seat, manufacturing precise components for the automotive vehicles for many years to come. If you're interested in finding out more about the work that Photofab does in the automotive sector, you can visit the website, read our latest blog, or get in touch with us directly using the details at the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye!